Okay, so good morning. This is Mike Richards from Wavecycle Trader. It is currently 10:30 a.m. UK time on Wednesday the 16th of October. So we're around 2.5 hours into the European session. I just want a quick recap of the trades according to the Wavecycle Trader strategy in the Trading Hub this morning. So starting with the German DAX, and when we did our pre-UK Open update for members earlier, we were just here, and it was clear we needed lower in this wave 4. I'm looking for a deeper pullback that holds 19,144.70. It was a question of structure and how we were going to get there. So we were looking at a 15-minute chart, and prior to the open we were in this region here, and what I was looking for either was just to push up through the overnight highs and to see this corrective move before another structure down came in, or another low first and then up. And as it transpires, we've had the other low. So it made things a little tricky in terms of a directional bias going into today. We had to just be a little bit more flexible. However, market was kind to us. So this is the pre-market here immediately before the open. You can see that open at 8 a.m. UK time, and the index has been butting up against resistance. We dropped off the open, and then it came back and gave us the picture perfect retest. We were already on a CRSI sell. We had a squeeze building and momentum going to the downside, and eventually that did fire down. That gave us a short entry all the way up here at 19,478, and we came down rather rapidly in actual fact, and by 20 past 8 the index started to bounce. You can see that the CRSI, it gives you some warning that it started to go into a green shaded zone, and there was the buy signal with momentum starting to come up. There was our exit. Nice quick 47 pips of trade. Then we watched all this and just sat it out. I didn't, you could have gone long as we exited. I chose not to. I prefer to have a full complement of signals. And indeed, coming back up here, we came all the way back up and tested that resistance again. But we did so, if you notice, this high and this high, divergence on the momentum, and guess what, we got a CRSI sell signal. We dropped back below the resistance support zone, and we then tested it, and as we tested that and the hourly VWAP, the anchored one, we got another entry here, and then the same exit on the CRSI buy signal here. You see the green zone started before that, giving us some warning that we would need to be looking to come out, and we had the divergent momentum pattern between this low and this low. So all the signs were there to warn us, and indeed out we came here, giving us a second profit of 50 pips. It gave us another long entry here. Unfortunately, that then came back and reversed on us, so that we closed that for 14 pips. I'm currently flat the DAX and probably done with it for this morning. 111 pips in the German DAX all told first thing this morning. If we then come over and look at CL here and go back to the 8 a.m. start in the European markets, and just after that we got a break up through the support resistance and a retest with a breakout buy signal and a squeeze that fired long. That gave us this trade here for a clean 36 pips of profit. Now, exit and go short because we got the declining momentum, we got the CRSI sell signal in the red zone, and we got a push back down below resistance support, came back up and tested it. Picture perfect, thank you very much. And down we came. Here was our exit. Why? CRSI buy signal on diverged momentum on the squeeze indicator, and we were in the green zone already, putting us on warning. That then gave us a long entry with an exit. And I can keep going, but we got 36 points, 52 points, giving us a total of 88 points in total. I'm currently long CL from here. Again, we got momentum coming up to the zero line. We came down and just dipped below price support and then recovered with a CRSI buy signal to support it. One could have added to that trade at 70.6. I chose not to. So I'm in that trade. My stop is currently at 70.56, and I'm looking to see whether we can break up through the resistance zones. And if you just look, we may well have seen a larger degree wave 2, in which case we are in for a fairly sizable move up over coming sessions in CL, hence the leaving the long position on, and I may leave a runner on that trade. Okay, so that's what we've done in the Trading Hub this morning. If you want to join us there, then please come and see us at wavecycletrader.com.